Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then right here tap at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji to move on to your profile page, and then hit right here at that gear icon to open up settings. On settings you should scroll down all the way until you find the app appearance, then get into it, and on that screen you are able to set app appearance. By default it's set to match system, but you can manually set it to always light or always dark. So in that simple way you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.